ticking, and my post on your blog's missing. Got me thinking this ain't God-given. I'm sitting here reciting, I'm more than a conqueror, but can I be honest, bruh? Oh really, can I be honest? Sometimes I don't even like me, and I can't see everything that Christ sees. Yikes, G, I'm kinda this crisis. I hope I'm really using the right speech. Got me reflecting, let me go and let this mic breathe. See, they never told us back then, be bold and just proud of your actions. Well, yeah, they did, but I didn't listen. So I treat my steps just a little different. God ain't never give us a spirit of fear, so I rebuke them demons till my vision gets clear. So now I'm back to working diligent, continue killing it till everybody here's feeling it. And you raise your hands high till you wonder where the ceiling went. My purpose, he just keeps on revealing it. So I accept this confidence, cause I know it's honest and it's true and it's spirit sent. Good God.